Hi guys, today we're going to be making chocolate chip and walnut cookies. What you will need is the following: 370 gram plain flour, butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 200 grams brown sugar, 200 grams granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 500 grams of milk chocolate and some walnut. You want to first get your butter and make sure it's room temperature so it's nice and soft. You want to add your sugar to that and you want to cream it. This process is called creaming, and literally you just want to mush it all together, literally. So you can use a spatula or a wooden spoon. I'm using a spatula, and you just want to keep pressing it all together. I'm going to add 2 eggs and then give it another good mix. You want to keep mixing and take your time with it until you get a smooth paste. Once that is done, what you will do is you'll get your flour. You want to sieve your flour and make sure that all the ingredients that are dry ingredients like your flour, salt, cornstarch and baking powder are sieved through. So you may need a hand, or you may need to take your time with this to make sure it's all sieved and then giving it a good mix. Again, we're going to continue to use a spatula and we're going to push all the ingredients together, giving it a good mix, and trust me, this is definitely an arm workout. So you just keep going until all of your dry ingredients are all well incorporated with your eggs, sugar and butter. Once that is all done, you want to add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That's 1 and 2. Again, giving it a good mix and stirring it around. And that's it. You add in your ingredients. I'm adding my chocolate and walnuts. You can use any type of nuts and any type of chocolate. And you want to give it a good mix so all the chocolate is sort of even in your batter. And then make them into small balls like I'm doing here. You want to keep it compact and tight. And then you want to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You can also leave it overnight. Once you take it out of the fridge, you can put it on a baking tray. Make sure you've given them space, because when you do put it into the oven, they will expand and rise. And this is the process. I put a little time lapse on how the cookies bake so you can see the process. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to take out my first batch of cookies. Look at those. And then I'll show you how they look on my cooling tray. As you can see, we make these cookies in a big batch because we love to eat cookies, and you can leave them for a few days as well. So this is how you want to keep them. You want to let them cool for 5 minutes and then you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.